Hello everyone and welcome to all owners of a slightly older camera without Wi-Fi. Today we are going to look at a mini tool. It's about the Unleashed from Fulography. This little device minimally consumes your camera's battery, but gives you remote control options you didn't have before. Just download the free app, plug the tool into the USB and HDMI port of your DSLR and you're ready to go. For example, you can control the aperture, ISO, shutter speed, image series, white balance and so much more inside the photo mode. You can also transfer the GPS position of your smartphone to the picture if your camera does not have a GPS function. I had no problems with the distance. I was more than 20 meters away and could still control the camera using my phone. By the way, the app allows you to remotely control up to 6 cameras at the same time. If you want to film yourself with an old camera, you have to constantly run to the camera and press the record and stop button. With the Unleashed, now this is changing. Simply switch to video mode via the submenu, use all functions such as aperture, ISO or shutter speed to record yourself. A common problem with the Canon EOS 5D Mark III is that you don't have the flip display and you basically can't control it since it's not equipped with Wi-Fi. So if you want to take a video from yourself, just get the app, get into the video mode, press the record button and off you go. My personal favorite are of course time-lapse shots, because these simply enhance your project even more. You have full control over the settings, the interval or the time span to get such great shots. But it gets interesting at sunrises or sunsets, because here the lighting conditions changing quickly. This is where the auto ramping function comes in handy. You can use it to adjust the lighting conditions. You have full control over the aperture, ISO or shutter speed, so that the finished result can be seen. So let's get to the bottom line. It has never been so easy to upgrade your old camera. You don't notice the battery consumption, the distance is enough to control the camera in the garden from your bedroom and use all the camera's functions. The only drawback is that you can see the files but not transfer them to your smartphone. Perhaps there will be an update in the near future. Thanks for watching guys, all the best from Frankfurt am Main, Germany and see you very soon. Tschüss!